Well, the giveaway is over. Thank you to everyone who entered. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the fact that y'all helped me get to 5,000 subscribers. And that's just absolutely crazy, like I said in the beginning of the last video. So let's get this over with. I'm gonna make it as quick as possible. Thank you to everyone who entered. There's 500 entries. People from all over the place. Look at that, crazy. So remember, grand prize is a beater box worth about $340 sent to you from Soul Supremacy. First runner-up gets the Killer Supreme box logo sticker and a couple other things I threw into a box, and the second runner-up gets the Supreme bouncy ball and a bunch of other things too. There's one invalid action. Let's take care of that. That means there are 499. Let's draw the winners. Congratulations to Connor, winner of the beater box. Galen, the winner of the Killer box logo sticker. And Aditya, the winner of the Supreme bouncy ball. I wish I could give you all presents, and I appreciate the fact that everyone wants to support what's going on here, because I know it's goofy and I know it's definitely an acquired taste. So, congratulations Connor, Galen, and Aditya. Let's go open some stuff. Hey, congratulations again to Connor, Galen, and Aditya. Y'all have been emailed. Get back to me with your address so I can have these things sent to you or send them to you myself. Thank you again to everybody who entered. I really wish I could give everybody a prize because you all deserve it. If this is your first time seeing me, the giveaway thing probably was really confusing, but just in case, hi, I'm Sbmitch. This is my channel on youtube.com. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at this handle that's on the screen right now. I also have a website that I sell things on. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. And I posted a thing on the community board. People said they want me to make a video, so we're making a video. And luckily enough, I have some things that are either unboxed already, but I have one thing to unbox. Hey, let's just do a haul series. So I actually have one thing to unbox, but I have three things to share with you because there was an older video where the microphone died because it's battery operated, and because the microphone's working, hey, why not do it? So this first thing actually comes to us from a really, really rad shop based out of Toronto, Ontario, in the great country of Canada. The shop is called Parlor23. You can find them at Parlor23 on Instagram, and they also have a website called Parlor23.com. The shop itself is a hybrid sneaker boutique slash barbershop, which is really, really cool. I've talked to the dude who owns it a bunch of times on Instagram, really cool guy. This is what I got from Parlor23. Now, this is something I wanted for myself, but they didn't have my size. This is a size 9 Presto. Parlor23 always includes a bunch of goodies with their orders, and that's definitely the case with this order. If you guys have seen my channel before, I always wear the green Money Cat hoodie. They included another Money Cat. This is a patch of a Money Cat. There's also this Parlor23 patch. This is actually really cool. I can get my dumb hand out of the way. You can see the Parlor23 on the basketball right there. And also a air freshener of the same thing, which is pretty cool. But this shoe I got from them, this is a really awesome Presto. It's kind of like a what the type thing. This Presto is called Greedy. It's color blocked to all get out. Like, you can see different colors all around. It's a standard Presto, but the difference, ooh, there goes the box. Ugh. They're mismatched, which is, I think, just super cool. I mean, you can see different colors all around, which is really, really awesome. I mean, even on the insides, you can see. This is just a really, really cool pair of shoes. This is a size 9. I would like to trade and try to, or at least sell these to get the money for a size 11 because I really like this shoe. Only thing with Prestos is they're really hard to wear with jeans, which means they're impossible to wear with jeans. You don't wear them with jeans because you look like a fool. But the price I got on this was an absolute, like, crazy steal. So thank you, Parlor23. Be sure to check them out at Parlor23 on good old Instagram and Parlor23.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, these next two things are from definitely someone I bought from before. Really legitimate seller on Instagram. You should follow him at Liu Kang's Closet, like Liu Kang from Mortal Kombat, not Street Fighter, like I said in a video before. This is something I got from him a couple weeks ago. It is a size 11. As you can tell, it's a Nike Dunk. This is a Dunk Low Pro SB. This is, I think, a 2004 release. Now that Dunks are like cool again, a lot of people are willing to give up their pairs, have to pay a little bit extra for them, but that's okay because it's pairs I would never be able to get before. Nike SB released a series called the Ray Guns. There was a Ray Gun Home, which looks like this. And there's the Ray Gun Away, which looks like this and is now in my collection. You can see the little Ray Gun logo on the back there, but this is just the kind of crazy quality you'll get from Dunks of this era. Good old fat tongue going on here. These are hard to find. I mean, come on, it's a 15-year-old shoe, but this is just an awesome pair. Oh, I'm so happy with these. Normally, I don't like shoes with a black midsole unless it's got a wild contrast, and this white outsole definitely provides enough contrast for me not to be annoyed by the black midsole. Very, very cool pickup. Definitely check out at Luke Hang's Closet. Yes, where's my box cutter? Here it is. This is something I picked up earlier today. It is from Luke Hang's Closet, something he posted over the weekend, or like last Thursday or something like that. This is a pair that I have been after for a long time and was not able to find in a condition that I liked or a price that was reasonable, I guess you could say. So I'm very excited about these. He sent them in a replacement box with bubble wrap. Are you kidding me? It is a replacement Nike SB box. For the actual shoe I got, oh man, these are in phenomenal shape. This is another Dunk Low Pro. This is a collaboration with clothing brand Stussy. I am thrilled with these. This is a Dunk Low Pro. These are just called Stussies, or they call it Neapolitan because it's got the cherry on there and it's colors of like Neapolitan ice cream. Again, fat tongue, booyah. These are worn, but these are in phenomenal shape. I mean, you can, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. There's a lot of stars still on here. And also minimal heel drag, but these came out a long time ago. I just really, really love this colorway. These are the kind of shoes that, now that Dunks are cool again, people are willing to part with pairs that I've been wanting for a really, really long time. This is definitely a pair I've wanted for a really, really long time. I might buy pink SB laces to put on here. We'll see, I don't know, but definitely give Luke Hang's Closet a follow on Instagram, at Luke Hang's Closet. This is the kind of stuff you'll be able to find. Stuff that you just don't see anymore, which is just crazy awesome. Thank you, this is a really cool pickup. I know you're watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So there it is. There's the pickups. There's your giveaway results. This is just a video that I just threw together real quick, and I'm gonna edit it real quick, and it'll be live today, which is Monday, February the 11th, 2019. Congratulations again to Connor, Galen, and Aditya. Thank you all for joining the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I really appreciate it. The fact that you're taking the time out of your day to watch these videos is just absolutely crazy to me, and I cannot thank you enough. I just want you to know, like, seriously, viewer, whether you've been here since 100 subs, 1,000 subs, or 15 minutes ago, thank you. Seriously, this is coming from the bottom of my cholesterol-encrusted black heart. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. After this video, let's get back to some boxes and whatnot. I have a beater box. I have 2 beater boxes, actually. One has already been opened. The video will be live probably Wednesday. I guess that'll be a good day. Then I have another one. It's a $700 beater box, which is right over there, unopened. We'll open that together Friday-ish, something like that. So till then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Thank you again. Bye-bye.